Hi guys, God, it's blooming cold. It's Friday. Oh, it's freezing cold in North Somerset. I just come out to the garage to do a little bit of a job. There's the engine at the moment, so I haven't done anything on that soon. I'm gonna have to clean it all down so I can give it a coat of paint. That's a job. I'm gonna wait for the warmer weather. Oh, it's freezing. So I did a little bit of work on the trolley. I'm gonna mount it on this trolley. This was a trolley that used to have a PETA AA1 operating a spate water pump, and it will be all right to put the PAZ one on. What I had to do was I've had to make a bit of an adjustment. It had the mounting bracket was right down here, so I've cut that off and I had a bit of a 1/4 inch angle line, and I could put that onto there, welded it on with the trusty Oxford arc welder. I hadn't had them out for a while, so we gave them a fire up. Blew the fuse in the house a couple of times, but hell, that's all the fun of it, isn't it? This is the smallest of the Oxford welders. It's super tall. Someone gave that to me. I gave it a bit of a refurb and changed the oil in it, so that works beautiful. That does. You can operate it on an ordinary 3-pin plug. I made the mistake of plugging it in while it was switched down, and it kind of surged. So when you plug it in, make sure the switch is off on the 3-pin plug, and then it worked fine. It does a really good job. No, better than my bloody welding, but it'll hold it though. And what I'm going to do is mount the PAZ one on there, but it's always a pain getting the holes in the right place, isn't it, when you're mounting the engine. So I got this bit of hardboard and I put it under the PAZ one engine, and I just sprayed paint through the holes, and it marked it up. So I'm hoping that'll be about right. That like a template. I made the hole slightly oversized, so that will sit on there like that, and that'll give me a guide so I can drill my holes, get it in the right place obviously, and we'll drill the holes, and then we can mount the PETA onto there, mount the engine onto that little trolley. These wheels are pretty short. All the rubber's gone on them, so I'm going to have to try and find a couple of better wheels really. I'll give the trolley a paint, find a better set of wheels. Not sure where I can get wheels from. I'll have to have a look around. I think it's like an inch shaft on there, but I expect I'll be able to find something somewhere. So yeah, that's all I've done today anyway. So yeah, over and out for now guys. See you on the next one. Bye.